What's going on, guys? I got a sold half Apple 27.28. What's going on, guys? One's the 165 puts. What's going on, guys? Yeah, we're going to try to get a voice chat set up for sure at some point. All right, guys, I'm watching QQQ. Looks like we're going to test this 345 level. This will definitely be a key level to hold for the Qs. SPY is approaching 437. Looks like SPY wants to test 435. QQQ still failing pretty steadily here. All right, guys, I'm going to sell the rest of my QQQ puts here at 113. So all out QQQ, 340 puts, 115. Watching Apple for a break under 169 here, guys. So I'm out half Apple, waiting to see if we get a break under 169. We'll look to scale out the rest on any test of 168. SPY looking like it's going to test 435. Almost 50% on Apple here, guys. Breaking under 169 now. Let's go. QQQ sub 346 now. Apple under 169. Let's see if we get 168 test on Apple. Nice. Apple looking at fresh lows here, guys. Sold 60% Apple 29. Apple looks to me like it's in the gap down to 167 here. Maybe I'm wrong, but I really think that it's got a pretty solid chance to at least see that 168 mark. You guys see what I'm talking about on the hourly? You see, like, when we rejected there, we came back down to here, 167. That's why I like it. So, again, I'm going to look for a move down to at least this support level, right, which is that 168 on Apple today to close. And then I really think it could see 167.40, but we'll see. QQQ is coming into support here. No potential swings right now except for like earnings plays, which I'm in coin, but other than that, not really. SPY wicking up here, so Apple is getting a bounce off that 168.90 level. So just to show you what I'm looking at on Apple right now, if it regains that 169.31 level, that would be like kind of my stop at this point. So I'll show you what I'm looking at. So looking for a reject here at 169.30. It depends. In this market, not always do you see a bounce the next day. You know what I mean? It just depends. But it depends on what happens overnight. The overnight trade's been crazy lately, so. Okay, so wick forming right at that level on the 15-minute. I'll trade anything, man. Small caps, large caps, don't really matter. Yeah, trade the chart. That's exactly right. So want to see Apple continue to reject this 169.31 area. QQQ is bouncing off support, but it looks pretty weak in terms of the bounce. So it's nice on days where you have trend like this because you can just be patient, right? And like just sit and wait, right? Like nice clear wick right to that level, right? Prior support turning into resistance, right? In order to go down, we have to come back up, retest, and then come back down, right? So far, we're forming a really nice wick here on Apple on the upside, right? So the upper wick is touching that prior support, and it's looking like resistance for right now. That could change. People asking me why the premiums are moving slow, it's because they have a lot priced into these premiums, right? So they're not moving as like rapidly as some people would like. SPY rejected 438 pretty hard. I think SPY needs 435 here. It's giving me some conviction on Apple. Still haven't closed over on the 5-minute either. If I was going to play a lower strike on corn, I would have played the 220s. 169.31. Still rejecting here on Apple for the time being. I've been using the 15-minute lately, guys. That's just me. I feel like it's been a way better view of what the market's doing rather than kind of stressing out over the 5 and getting faked out. Bless you. Decent fails there on Apple, guys, on the 5. See if we fail here on Apple and break low of the day. There we go on Apple. There's the pull. Now we want fails sub low of the day here, guys. One minute till this candle closes. Switch over to the 5 for a little bit. Have the 15-minute up on my other screen. This candle closes here. I think we see new lows. Just want to make sure we don't get trapped, right? That's the big one. Because they could pull this candle right back up. Works when we're long, works when we're short too. Okay, Apple Bulls did not get the candle close over. Remember, I've already scaled out 60% of the trade, guys. Scaled out 60% at 29, so I'm riding basically the last 40% of my position. Peeking over at the start of this candle. Remember, we got 4 minutes till this candle closes, so so far, wick up. If it closes over 169.31, out. Closes under, still in, right? I sold 20% of UPST or 25% of UPST at 180s, right? And then I definitely held the position way too long. I was going to exit originally on that last pull up to 1. Didn't, waited, tried to let it work, tried to let the market sort itself out. Didn't. Took the loss. It's an ugly loss, but it's in the past for me. All right, big wick on Apple there. Huge wick on Apple there. If we that was definitely a bull trap. If you guys saw that 5-minute candle teased like it was going to close over 169.31. Didn't. They pulled that candle down, right? Remember, I always say wait for the candle close because they teased, right? And now it looks like the market wants lower. Apple going to test low of the day here now. That was classic bull trap. You guys see that, how it was came all the way up. They do the wick, and then boom, right? Straight to lows. Hello, Apple. Sub 169 again. Now let's see if we get a break of low of the day. QQQ breaking to new lows. Apple trying to break the new low of the day right here. Let's see if we get the pull under. If we get the pull under, we can definitely see 168, if not 167. SPY pushing new lows here. QQQ breaking under key level at 345.56. QQQ confirms this candle under this level at 345, then we're definitely going to see a move down in Apple, in my opinion. Big seller there on Apple. All right, guys, I'm still in. I'm going to use the restroom really quickly while this candle just starts. So, All right, guys. Apple is pushing that 169.31 level. All right, guys. Apple closed right at my level. When it does that, I usually give it 1 5-minute candle beyond this. Close directly at my level, guys. Right here at 169.32. Apple trying to push lows here. Need to get a break under low of the day is what I'm looking for here into the close. Apple doesn't want to give up, but it also doesn't look very strong. Still have 3 minutes till this candle closes, guys, so guys, we're testing the low of that prior candle now. Here we go. We're below the low of that previous candle, guys. Decent seller there on Apple, guys. One minute till this candle closes. They may try to bring this candle up. It's definitely looking a little bit strong with that wick off the bottom, so I want to see this candle flush more. Guys, Apple closed right at my level again. It's really battling here. Technically closed right at my level. SPY is rebounding a little bit here, though. That big wake up definitely signals some buyers coming in, though. Big wick there on Apple, guys. SPY's failing that 438.50 retake. QQQ looking like it may flush here into the close. One minute and 30 seconds till this candle closes, guys. I'm watching SPY very closely here to see if it closes over 438.50. If that happens, Apple definitely would rip to the upside. However, since it's rejecting this level, I still think there's a possibility we could pull down more and flush. QQQ SPY pulling down a bit here. One minute till this candle closes, guys. SPY trying to break down under 438. This is key. If SPY can close under 438, we can see a bigger move down still these last 10 minutes. SPY sub 438. Now let's see if we get the pull on Apple. SPY pushing down now, sub 438. $30 left. They're going to try really hard to keep Apple over this level to close it over on the daily. But I'm still thinking if SPY can flush down here, sub 437, we can get a move down. There's the move down under the key level on Apple. Apple closing under the key level here, guys. Hello. Hello. There it is. There it is. Hello. Apple fresh lows. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Let's fucking go. Man's show. Scaled 75% Apple at 30. Let's go. What did I say? Wake up, closed. Let's fucking go. Now Apple's going to push lows. Let's ride. Apple puts it 30 now and still flushing. Apple fresh lows, more. Scaled 80% Apple 31. Apple nonstop lows. Nonstop lows here on Apple, guys. All right, I'm out 80% Apple. I'm holding 20%. SPY fresh lows. QQQ fresh lows. Apple fresh lows. Nonstop on Apple. Everybody got faked out. Everybody got faked out. That's how you know a big flush is coming, when you get a nasty fake out like that. That means they're just going to flush it even more. More lows. All right, guys, I'm holding 15% of my Apple puts overnight. Yeah, I'm holding 20% of my Apple puts overnight. That's it. Bye-bye, Apple. Bye, Apple. Well, that was insanely dope. So, what an end to a day. The Power Hour Live magic continues. I'll make a whole video about the fake out. Holding those 20% of the Apple 165s, like 17% of my position. Playing with profits. 70% move. Yeah, I'll definitely make a video about it. Faux show. I'm going to use that example right there too, so. Coin swing will be fine. Those IVs are going to increase no matter what. And, I mean, unless we, like, really see, like, an insane crash, which I don't think we're going to see, we'll be all right. What's the reason that I want to? Well, when you think about it, Apple really hasn't dropped that much, though. And I do think it can see at least 166. Right? Like, let's clear levels. Clear. I think it could easily see 166 if not lower. Like, I wouldn't be surprised to see one of these moves, you know? Microsoft kind of looks like dog water too, so. All right, guys. I'll see you guys later. That was really fun. Bro, what? That was insane.